Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to connect your HyperX Cloud Jet to your PS5 in 2026. Now to begin with, the HyperX Cloud Jet, it is a wired headset, so it connects directly through the controller for full compatibility. So you just have to do nothing but to just plug the 3.5 mm jack into your PS5 controller and the headset will be detected automatically. Now this is the easiest and most reliable method for you to establish the connection between these two. Now after that you just have to go inside the settings of your PS5. Inside the settings look for the option of sound, then inside sound look for the option of audio output. Over here you need to set the output device as controller headset, then scroll down a bit more and set the output to headphone to all audio, and this ensures both the game sound and the chat audio work together. Now here you need to also look for the option of microphone and set the input device as controller headset. Also adjust the mic level so that your voice is clear. Now after doing this setting, you just have to join a party and open a game. You need to check if you can hear the audio and others can hear your voice too. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.